Let us go to question number one. Very small and tiny question. I hope you can do it. Question number one, page number 15. Because next question what we have is of trading profit and balance sheet. That will take more time. So kindly finish this question. It will give me confidence that you have understood. So you did not have to make the format as larger as we had during last question. Only few items of sources of fund is given and very few items of application is given. So kindly finish it off. Very nice idea. Gaurav has rightly stated. Next time onwards, you please be ready with the format. Then it will take really very less time. And from tomorrow onwards, remaining all question will be assignment, which will be of trading PNL. There are many questions in this book. Please go and do the practice. Then only your fundamental related to management accounting or related to vertical statement will be much stronger. Gaurav, this is my book only. If you go to the website, every one of your friends are knowing it. So if you put my name, you can visit my website. There are many different courses. I have written the book on management accounting. You pick up any book, you will get all these questions and do practice from that. And try to understand you are competing with TY student. So your level is very high. Here also my question will remain same. What is net worth? What is total fund employed? What is working capital? Of this question, question number one. Nista, what is your answer? Nista, okay. Any other student who have done it? What answers, Shruti, you got?
सर मैच नहीं कर रहा है सर।
Let me see. अगर बच्चों के तो आ रहे हैं आंसर. That means you are doing somewhere some error. Dilkhush is also done. I think amongst all, Aryan was right. Aryan, take profit and loss, not credit balance as debit balance. And then get me the answer.
Yes sir, then it will match.
Then how much you are getting?
Sir 9,000, 9,000.
Absolutely right. Rest all who have written 10,000 is wrong answer. The right answer is 9,000. यहाँ भी इन्होंने शायद कुछ एरर किया होगा. प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस यहाँ लिखा ही नहीं.
सर डिबेंचर्स भी लाए हैं सर, डिबेंचर है नहीं।
यहाँ है नहीं. तो अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं, so again I'm telling you the right answer will be 9,000, provided you are taking
सर
profit.
डिबेंचर है आंसर में,
डिबेंचर
डिबेंचर है आंसर में, लॉन्ग टर्म लायबिलिटी।
आंसर रॉन्ग है ना बेटा, आंसर ये क्वेश्चन का नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. ठीक है,
यस सर आंसर।
आंसर रॉन्ग है. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आंसर आएंगे 9,000 रुपीज, जिसमें इक्विटी शेयर capital will be your shareholders fund, preference share capital will be your shareholders fund, general reserve will be your shareholders fund reserve and surplus, profit and loss debit balance will be deducted. Debit matlab loss,
डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम।
like fictitious asset. Okay, so total 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 will be your sources of fund. Similarly application of fund में आएगा fixed asset 8,000, current asset minus current liability 1,000, 9,000.
वर्किंग।
working capital as 1000. That will be the right answer. So I hope I need to do this revision also. ये बराबर है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस डेबिट के यहाँ से now it's proper, Aryan, if I'm not wrong. So this will be your right answer, dear student. Kindly take down, which just now I have explained to you all, for the detail which is available here. Okay. So that is what I have done changes, Ruti. I have taken profit and loss, debit balance. Debit balance means in profit and loss we had loss. You take it, no. Try to upload. It's here. Equity capital, preference capital, total capital, reserve and surplus. So I did the changes. Then only you can able to make the answer. See, this is some printographical error. Few details are not there, which is reflecting in the answer. So I have modified this answer, this question only. And if I am taking here this as a debit balance, then your answer will tally. Very simple. Okay? There is no harm. I hope you must have taken this as sources of fund. Please finish it off fast. Okay, Nishtha. What about others? Have you taken down? Okay, Anurag, Nishtha. Okay, fine. So like this, 4, 5 students, if they were giving me answer, I can proceed. And these are the application of fund. Dilkhush. Kindly finish application of fund also. Thank you, Priyanka. Pradnya, it's done. Okay. Now let us go to next question. Now the next question, see question number 1 we did, question number 2 we did, question number 3 we did. Yes or no? Now we'll be going for question number 4, which has both, which has trading account also, P&L account also, म्हणजे revenue statement also and balance sheet statement also together. So now let me see how effective your answer would be. And then you have to do entire thing. First you have to complete with revenue statement and then you can go for balance sheet statement. So let me see your answer one by one. So where we will reflect opening stock, भूल गए, लास्ट वीक पढ़ा था.
Purchases.
Purchases is next item, opening stock.
Cost of goods.
Yes, absolutely right. Cost of goods sold or cost of sales. Purchases,
Cost of goods.
same. Gross profit, we will get our own gross profit. Depreciation,
Cost of goods.
no. Operating expense. Other expenses, only depreciation on plant.
Material.
See, depreciation, other expenses, as it is there in the P&L account, we will take it as operating expense. Only depreciation on plant will be taken as cost of sales. Tax provision, we have separate head. Proposed dividend will be appropriation. Sales will be starting point income. Closing stock, cost of sales. Interest, non-operating income. So with this, my revenue statement will be done. When we'll go for balance sheet, we'll start one by one. Share capital, where we should write share capital as,
Shareholders fund.
yes. Bank overdraft,
Current liability. Current liability.
liability non-QA. Creditors,
Current asset.
Creditors, current asset. Sabas. Current
Current
liability.
liability.
Current liability.
Quick. Depreciation provision.
Less from asset.
Less from asset. Absolutely right. Tax provision.
Current liabilities.
Current liability. Proposed dividend.
Current liability.
Current liability. Profit and loss account.
Reserve and surplus.
Absolutely right. So today Aryan will get 1 mark for his performance. Cash,
Current asset. Quick asset.
quick. Stock,
Current
Current
asset.
asset.
Non-quick asset.
debtors,
Current asset.
Current asset.
quick. Land and building,
Tangible
Fixed
asset.
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 fixed asset, tangible. Plant and machinery equipment,
Fixed asset. Tangible.
Asset.
prepaid expense,
Current asset.
Current asset.
current asset, non-quick.
Non-quick.
Goodwill,
Intangible asset.
Tangible asset.
Intangible asset.
intangible asset. Preliminary expense,
Fictitious
Fictitious
asset.
asset.
fictitious asset. Loans,
Borrowed fund. Secured.
no, it is there on the asset side. That means it is loan given. Okay,
Yes.
current asset.
Current asset.
With this,
Current
we
asset.
can easily solve this question. Chalo, go one by one. So first we will be going to take out income statement. That's very simple. So today we had a practice of everything. Yeah. First we are going to write sales. Take down first. And that's given 8,30,000. Then we are going to write cost of sales. Which will comprise opening stock, purchases, closing stock, everything. Yes? So the cost of sales is 7,05,000. So I will get the gross profit margin as 1,25,000. You can use abbreviation. Opening stock पूरा का पूरा नहीं लिखना है. OPSTC लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. You have to quick when there is a lecture going on, because it will be of 40 minutes. We have to discuss. We have to do many things. So you have to make your speed bit faster. I hope till here it is over. You must have written. Completed? Okay. Thank you everyone. Next we have the operating expenses. So we got operating net profit as 70,000. I think with this time limit, I can only guide you with income statement. I think balance sheet, you can do it at home and get me your answer. Okay. Then net profit ke baad, we have non-operating income also, that was interest. So we get net profit before tax. We had provision for tax. We will get net profit after tax. We will deduct the proposed dividend. We'll get the retained earnings. This is just a revision. So by tomorrow, there are many questions on your book. Kindly do it. I can ask from any student. Till now, only few student is answering. It's not going to serve my purpose. So tomorrow there will be Viva Voce. Till now, only I have seen your assignment. Tomorrow, along with the assignment, I may ask anything. Okay, and you have to answer. So if you have done it, now let us go for balance sheet also. Share capital, P&L, fictitious asset. So total sources of fund. So I'm finding only two students whose video mode is on, Aryan and Pradya. They are writing Isha. बच्चे लोग लिख रहे हैं तो मुझे दिख रहा है तो मैं उनके हिसाब से प्रोसीड कर रहा हूँ. Other students, I am not able to see you. Nistha is also now participating. So tomorrow again there will be one evaluation of yours. Sorry. Tomorrow there is holiday, no? Sorry. मतलब पंगे ले लोगे तुम लोग 26 Jan है. So kindly do all assignments. Okay. Next week we will have discussion. Same way we have application of fund. Finally, working capital. निष्ठा तू थोड़ी पीछे है बेटा, बाद में अभी तू कंप्लीट कर बैलेंस शीट. रेवेन्यू स्टेटमेंट हो गया.